One of the best things about the Case Management Hub platform is just how flexible it is to meet your reporting needs. In this quick tutorial, we're going to look at how you can bypass the default text fields for locations like postal code or county and easily put together your own powerful and accurate custom location reports. So for this case management reporting tutorial, we'll use the postal code as an example. But of course, you could do this with other default location fields as well, such as county or city. So here's the steps we're going to take. On the client profile, we'll hide the default text field called postal code. Then we'll add a custom field called zip code that is a single select field type. Then we'll go over to the reports and analytics and create a custom report based upon that new zip code field. Okay, first let's address a question you might have. Why can't the default text fields for location like zip code automatically create custom reports? And there's two reasons. Let's go to the profile for the first one. And the home address area. Now, of course, different organizations are going to have different postal codes, different states, different counties, different countries, and cities. If we tried to list every single state or province, postal code, or city, the list would get quite unmanageable for most people. That's why these defaults are here as text fields. Now, why can't custom reports be created for text fields? Because text fields can be quite long. It could be a feedback field, for example, such as feedback on someone's condition. That's why basic text fields don't translate well to reports. But no worries. I'm going to show you how to get the custom location reports you're looking for. So again, we're going to use postal code for the example, but you could do this for other location fields as well. So first of all, I'm here on the client profile. You can make these updates on any profile page. A field update made on one profile page will automatically reflect across all your client profiles. So we're going down to the default section for home address. We want to hide this postal code field. So we'll hover and click the I to hide it. That's step one. Step two is adding our own field that we can generate reports for. So I'm going to come to the plus at the bottom and add a new field. Now field names need to be unique, so I'm going to use zip code. And this is important. You want to select the right field type that can run a report. It can be either single select or multi-select. Now in most cases, a location field will be a single select, meaning you want the person to select just one option. So now I'm going to put in some of my zip code options. And of course, this is where you would put in your distinct list of zip codes, or if you're doing county or city, the counties or cities. Now, if there happen to be people from outside your area that you serve from time to time, you can always add an other field. This will allow someone to type in an option that isn't already in the list. So now we're going to add. And now we have our zip code field. Now, another great thing about single select fields is they can help data accuracy. For example, if you have a text field on a form for county or zip code, you might have clients that make a typo or leave out one of the numbers. The selection field keeps them from making those types of mistakes, and therefore your data reporting is also more accurate. So I'm going to put a little data in this field. I'll select zip code for a couple of clients. Now here I'm selecting it in the profile, but you can also put this field on a form. Then the form would populate this field. Just look at our form tutorials for more details on that. Okay, so I've added the zip code in a few different clients. Now let's take that third step and go to Reports and Analytics. We're going to create a custom report. And in the Choose field, we're going to look under Client Fields for that new zip code field. And you'll see a preview of your report here. And now I have my custom zip code reporting. Now if you'd like to see a percentage, just click the pie chart icon. Now I can see what percentage of my clients come from which zip code. You can always go back to the count by clicking the bar chart icon. And that's how easy it is to create your own custom location reporting in the Case Management Hub.